These are now, I have here 7 pots of pepper seedlings, but they actually have grown into a plant. See how big they are now. I planted these seedlings last March 21st. I planted those seedlings in these 7 pots. So what I'm going to do now is to cut the tops of this pepper. That will encourage the plant to grow lateral branches and a bushier plant. So that's what I'm going to do, to cut the top of this. Then I'll soak it in water. So, eto na yung 4 na tops na pinutol ko. I hope they root. So, 1, oops. Let's see, how many did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to. 4 na soak sa water. I just hope na mag-root sila.